Satin pothos, also known as Scindapsus pictus, is a popular indoor plant known for its striking, silvery foliage. It is native to Southeast Asia and is a member of the Araceae family. Satin pothos has heart-shaped leaves that are deep green with silver markings or spots, giving them a velvety appearance. It is a climbing vine and can grow up to 6 feet long, making it a great choice for a hanging basket or a trellis. Satin pothos is a low-maintenance plant that can tolerate low light conditions and infrequent watering. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate humidity, but can also tolerate dry indoor air. It is also known for its air-purifying properties and can remove toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air. With its unique texture and easy care, satin pothos has become a popular choice for home and office decor.